English speakers learning Spanish are changing grande to gran, bueno to buen, and malo to mal whenever they want, and it needs to stop. You see, you gotta know first when you can actually do it. Know that this largely will be determined by the noun that we're describing. Is it masculine or feminine, or singular or plural? So while yes, these are the shortened versions of these words, these over here are going to be used to describe singular masculine nouns. We'll talk about gran in a second. Also, what's worth noting is that these are typically used before those nouns. Señor Hayes es un profesor bueno. O, Señor Hayes es un buen profesor. Notice how in this example here, profesor was the noun we were modifying or describing. It's singular and masculine, so therefore we have this alternative here. Un buen profesor. He tenido un día malo. O, he tenido un mal día. Again, in this example, we're looking at the word día, which is masculine in this case, singular, and we also notice here it's placed before the word día. Los Ángeles es una ciudad grande. Los Ángeles es una gran ciudad. Now, I'm using this example on purpose because with gran, as I mentioned earlier, we can actually use gran with singular feminine nouns, as you see in this example here. So that's interesting to note. Another thing to note with gran in this case, it almost has this figurative meaning, like we're saying great or fantastic as well. So we're not actually describing it physically when we're using gran. Now use away, and that's why I teach Spanish.